Contouring powder is a perfect product for easy, natural contouring every day. It's a soft, matte texture, it's really velvet, makes really easy to blend, and the good thing is, fits perfectly on your beauty box. So now I'm going to show you how to apply contouring powder. First of all, we need to define where should I apply. Here, underneath the cheekbone, this is the perfect one, forehead and the jawline. Take a bit product and apply really softly. Also here in the forehead